Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, standing right in front of the Cromwell Hotel and Casino. Not a big place, kind of tiny, but it's got Giada's restaurant as well as Dre's nightclub, and that kind of puts this place on the map. So let's go inside and see what it's all about, shall we? So stay tuned to this video because, like I said, the Cromwell is small and it's never enough to fill an entire video. So what I've done is I've added a sandwich that I'm going to have at the Earl of Sandwich next door at Planet Hollywood. So stay tuned for that. It's the second half of this video. So the Cromwell is considered a luxury boutique meaning small, hotel and casino on the Las Vegas Strip, pretty much center strip. It's in a great location and it's run by Caesars Entertainment. Cromwell is home to an Italian restaurant called Giada, owned and operated by Giada De Laurentiis from the Food Network. It also features a rooftop pool and nightclub called Dre's. The place has a 40,000 square foot casino and 188 hotel rooms. The property features classic and modern French designs. It was meant to resemble Parisian apartments, and its design was inspired by the Hotel Costes in Paris. It also features a pretty new 50-seat sportsbook.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Hey guys, just a heads up, loyal subscriber Dan Kraft has started a New York fan page on Facebook. He started the page and he's maintaining it. He's in full control of that page. I really have nothing to do with it, but I really do appreciate if you click on the link in the description below and join that fan page. It would be really cool. Dan's already got some activity on it. He's just started it, and appreciate all your hard work, Dan. Thank you so much. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check that fan page out. And now off to Earl of Sandwich, which is in the Miracle Mile shops at the entrance of Planet Hollywood's Hotel and Casino. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. I've heard so much about Earl sandwich, I just had to try it out. I ordered this like Thanksgiving sandwich. It's a hot sandwich with turkey, stuffing, gravy, and cranberry sauce. Sounds good. I've had them before, but I've never had one here. So we'll see what it looks like and what it tastes like. Like I said, I've had these sandwiches before, and I have to be honest with you guys, they never look that great because, well, they're kind of a messy sandwich. They got a lot stuffed in here, but they taste fantastic. They always do. This sandwich was pretty good. It was pretty big too. I couldn't finish it. Lots of turkey and stuffing, and the cranberry really topped it off with that little touch of sweetness, and of course there was gravy on it as well. At $8.99, that sandwich was a bargain, by the way. The soda was $4, not a bargain, but soda's always expensive in these kind of restaurants. But altogether it came to $14, and that's pretty good for fast food for what I had, I think. So all in all, I'll come back to Earl of Sandwich again. Hey everybody, check out the New York store. There's a link in the description below. Lots of cool New York swag, including t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies. We have teddy bears, coffee mugs, water bottles, stickers, tote bags, you name it, you'll find it at the New York store. Lots of cool swag. Check it out. There's a link in the description below. Thanks so much for visiting.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.